Pag-usapan natin yung mga pangyayari sa press conference ng PBA Philippine Cup Finals na kung saan nagkita-kita yung mga players and coaches ng TNT and San Miguel sa Pasig City. Ako po si Ruben Terrado ng Spin.ph and we are recapping what happened dun sa press conference dito sa ating YouTube channel, and marami ring mga napulot na balita sa naging press conference na marami rin na pag-usapan, halos isang oras din inabot yung press conference, isang oras mahigit, So ano ba yung mga, siguro pag-usapan natin yung mga major na mga new developments na napag-usapan, And maraming nagtatanong din siyempre doon sa status ng mga injured players ng TNT like si RR Pugoy at si Kelly Williams. So unang-una si RR Pugoy, ang status niya for Game 1 will be known on Saturday. So, medyo tipid yung sagot ni RR when it comes to his status for Game 1. Ang nabanggit lang niya is he will know kung he will be available sa Game 1 on Saturday. So, i-check pa ng doktor at doon pa lang malalaman if he will be cleared to play. But nagsisimula na, nagra-ramp up na yung activities ni RR Pugoy, nagsushooting na siya, nagja-jogging, nagpa-participate sa practice, although hindi naman ganun ka-intense. And yun, malalaman natin bukas if makakalaro si RR Pugoy. Let's see kung i-reveal din niya, dahil syempre ayaw ding malaman ng San Miguel kung maglalaro ba si RR or hindi. Ayaw nilang malaman, especially kung maglalaro si RR. Ayaw di malaman ng TNT yan, ng San Miguel. So I'm not expecting that there will be anything of ng update on RR Pugoy's status. So I expect na malalaman na natin yan come game time. So safe to say, game time decision itong si RR Pugoy sa game 1. Now yung kay Kelly Williams naman, sabi ni Coach Chot Reyes is he is doubtful for the rest of the finals. So, day to day ang status ni Kelly Williams according to Coach Chot Reyes. And mukhang mabigat-bigat din yung naging sprained ankle ni Kelly Williams. Ilang games na rin siyang hindi nakakalaro, I believe. 2 games siyang hindi nakalaro sa semi-final series against Rain or Shine. And right now ay doubtful pa siya for Game 1 on Sunday sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. So, yun, napag-usapan din, natanong din kung ba't nga ba hindi maglalaro ang PBA sa Araneta and Mall of Asia Arena sa Game 6 and 7. Nabanggit na ni Com Willie Marshall na hindi available yung parehong venue, may mga nakaschedule na concert na na-book na months ago pa, and ito namang PBA according to Com Willie ay pinaplano rin nila yung kanilang scheduling, Unfortunately, nung tumapat yung Game 6 and 7 sa July 25 and 27 ay hindi na po available yung Araneta and Mall of Asia Arena. Yun din ang reason kung bakit. Kasi initially ang plano was to play on Friday na. Ngayong araw, maglalaro na sana ang PBA Finals if natapos agad yung semifinals nung linggo. I believe kung natapos na yung finals nung linggo, ay actually let me correct myself, kung natapos na agad yung semifinals nung linggo, ay Wednesday lalaro na agad. And ang mangyayari nun is yung Game 6 ay lalaruin sana sa Araneta. If I'm not mistaken, tama, Araneta. Araneta yung venue sana nung Game 6 kung natapos yung semifinals nung linggo. But yun na nga, alam naman natin na Game 7 nung Miyerkules. Kaya yung PBA was forced to move back yung kanilang schedule. Kaya natapat na ang Game 6 and 7 will be played at the Phil Sports Arena. So, yan yung mga notables na mga napag-usapan and yung mga new developments na ating nalaman sa press conference. And now, let's hear from the coaches, no? Yung mga sinabi nila, meron tayong konting clip dito, no? Of Coach Chot Reyes. Sabi niya, he's not focused on the Grand Slam kasi naitanong din sa kanya yung bid for a Grand Slam ng TNT, and sabi niya hindi talaga nakafocus si Coach Chot when it comes to winning a Grand Slam. At nagbalik tanaw din kanina na there was a time na he was also eyeing for a Grand Slam in the 2011 season when TNT and Petron, na yun yung dating pangalan ng San Miguel, yung Petron ay naglaban sa Governors Cup Finals noong 2011 at natalo rin si Coach Chot dun sa Governors Cup na yun, no? So Coach Chot is actually eyeing for a Grand Slam in his second try, no? Second try na ni Coach Chot to na makuha yung rare Grand Slam, no, dito sa PBA. So let's listen in, no? Pakinggan natin yung sinabi ni Coach Chot with regards to the Grand Slam bid of TNT. Oops, at medyo may konting problem. So yun, pakinggan natin.
Believe it or not, and people, hindi ko talaga inisip yung Grand Slam. Even up to now, when I come to coach, I coach what's in front of me. Even in our team discussions, we really never talk about winning a championship. We talk about being the hardest working, best conditioned team. If we do that, then the winning will follow. So yun ang approach ko. So I'll just do my best, take it every game, every conference, and before we know it, we're here. So hindi ko talaga iniisip eh. So to answer your question, 2011 is really ancient history for me. It's not even in my consciousness. This tournament, this finals is going to be nice to win on its own merits, not because of any past experience.
Okay, that was Coach Chot Reyes, no, mentioning na hindi talaga siya nakafocus dito sa Grand Slam bid ng TNT this season, no. So lipat naman tayo kay Coach Leo Austria, at nabanggit nga niya, or actually nabanggit sa kanya, I should say, na winless pa ang San Miguel, no, this season sa TNT. They won or they lost nung Governors Cup, or no, sorry. They lost in the Commissioner's Cup. And then nung Philippine Cup, both in the elimination round, itong mga larong ito, natalo rin ng San Miguel laban sa TNT. But obviously, Coach Leo is not concerned. Siyempre, different battle na ito, no? He believes na may pag-asa naman definitely itong San Miguel, and they are out to redeem themselves dahil kung inyong matatandaan, nung Commissioner's Cup ay hindi nakapasok sa playoffs itong San Miguel. So they want to redeem themselves, at they can do that if they win the championship against TNT. Pakinggan natin si Coach Leo Austria.
Guys, the other team is equally talented. They are really strong, especially at Token Tex. They won 2 championships in the last 2 conferences, and that experience is really something they can dwell on. But our team is we're here to redeem ourselves, especially in the last conference. We're not able to make it into the playoffs, and it's enough for the players to realize na it's hard to be at the bottom of the standing. That's why at the start of this conference, so we realizes that we need to work hard, and we've gone into basic fundamentals of basketball, both on offense and defense, to come up really competitive, and it pays off. And now we're in the finals.
Okay, si Coach Leo Austria po, mga kaibigan, no? Discussing yung finals ng Philippine Cup and facing TNT. So okay, yan na po, no? Let's move on, no? Kasi nag-post po tayo nung full video nung press conference, at may mga nabasa rin tayo mga comments doon, at gusto nating basahin yung iba doon, no? Mamili tayo ng mga babasahin dito, no? So si Chris Apostol, no, sabi niya parehas niyang favorite team, itong TNT and San Miguel, and kahit anong mangyari, support sa inyong dalawa, walang papanigan, sana umabot ng Game 7, sabi ni Chris Apostol. Sabi nitong si Malyari Mascareñas, no, loyal viewer natin to sa YouTube, I think SMB is time na nila to get the championship, no. Prediction niya 4-2. So yun, shout out sa iyo, idol, Malyari Mascareñas. And sabi naman ni Janice Alcantara, go San Miguel, kaya nyo yan, alam ko na ipanalo nyo ang championship. So ang prediction niya, San Miguel in 5. Moving on, no, meron ding mga TNT, no, TNT fans na nag-comment na tingin nila syempre TNT ang mananalo. Si Benji Camilon, TNT ito, TNT in 6 games. Tapos sabi naman ni Roland Ostelo, TNT in 5, sabi niya. And then si Junli Manpinsahan, sabi niya, if all TNT players are healthy, tingin niya TNT in 6. So salamat sa inyo, no, sa mga nag-comments or nag-comment, no, dun sa ating video nung press conference nung PBA Philippine Cup Finals. And kung may gusto kayong i-comment din about the series, kanino kayo kakampi, sinong pipiliin nyo, sino tingin nyo mananalo, will it be TNT or San Miguel, and ilang games? So comment down below, no, at subukan nating balikan yan at ipopost din natin yan in our future videos, no. Okay, so yun na po, no, yan na po yung ating recap ng press conference ng finals ng PBA 49 season Philippine Cup. And again, yung game 1 ng finals will be on Sunday at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. So okay, dyan na po nagtatapos yung ating video, no, and thank you for watching us. And again, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, please consider it for more updates. May mga interviews tayong pinopost sa ating YouTube channel, and read our stories as well, no, sa spin.ph. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Ruben Terrado, and we will see you next time.